Hi, wheezerpuma. If you're watching this, I just wanted to give you a quick face reveal. Let me just take my headset off there. Yeah. So, yeah. It doesn't really look much like my profile picture, but I do got like tiny little freckles right around here. Right around here. I'm not looking at the camera, so my hands are like, woo! By the way, if you watch this, it's probably because earlier I texted you, here's my profile, blah, 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 you know. I just want you to subscribe, and yeah. That's my nail setup right there. Yeah, that's my room. That's my door. Yeah, don't look at that. I mean, can. That pink thing's my makeup bag. My mom lets me wear makeup. I just didn't wear any today. Okay, bye. Just my quick face reveal. Cha! I'm not even looking at my camera. Okay, look. Ooh. Haha, bye-bye.